Hey boy, don't move. We have in a truck.
Okay.
Go up in a truck, Mr. Wagwan in there.
Yo, Starling there, dog.
Alright, so if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe and do the right thing them. Because at the end of the day, it's your subscription. If your subscription along with you sharing up the videos, that are gonna make the videos get a lot of views. So just do the right thing. Bang bang.
Hey guys, it's your girl Pinky the Best, and as y'all know, it is the hurricane season, and y'all know that this hurricane is category 5. So y'all know you guys have to run to look for safety. You guys have to find shelters, food, clothing, because at this time we have to get all the help we need. So please be safe, guys, and I'll see you after the storm. Bye bye.
Hi.
Hi.
What kind of video do you make?
Oh, wow, you smell so good.
Thank you.
Alright, so I'm so sorry. Hold on.
What kind of video you make?
Oh, I'm making a video about the hurricane because you know it's near, and I have to tell my fans and subscribers that they should be prepared. So that's what I'm doing.
Why you wanna try to scare everybody? Because I mean, you do have a big fan base. So why you try to scare everybody?
Oh no, I'm not scaring. I'm just making a warning because you know the storm is near. What, you don't think the storm is coming?
Not really, you know. Well, I feel like it's gonna come, but you know, Beryl come last year and it never do much. So I just feel like I same thing.
No, this one looks different. This one is a category 5. It's gonna do a lot of damage worse than burial. Don't you think so?
Well, I never actually heard the part about category 5 and you might hear that from. So
Well, you're getting warning now. So, yeah, what happened in your you gonna look shelter yet? You have somewhere we can stay in case it comes.
honestly, I kind of don't think about my brother if me if you take it serious, but I'm not check him yet, you know, because I mean, we still have a little more time. So,
Little more time, girl. The storm is next week Tuesday. It's like you not listen news. It's like you not see the updates and the weather.
because me I try not to scare myself, and I mean, I don't work majority of the time, so I'm not really like dip on my phone like that.
All right, listen, please, please. The hurricane is next week Tuesday, so please find a nearest shelter you can get. I'm begging you.
Me I check my brother anyway, so me see it go.
Okay, then no problem.
All right, take care.
You too.
Mr. J, man. Apple J, what's up? What go on?
Yeah, my boss and I easy, you know?
Yo, what are you dealing?
I'm going to stress out to Mr. MP.
So what's stressing out now?
So they say storm come in, but I don't believe in it. But I don't have food on my yard, I don't have nothing on my yard.
Ain't a good thing that, man. Eh?
Good thing for you.
I mean good thing. Good thing for us. Listen, man. Let me tell you something. You see, in this trouble time, it's opportunity I see, you know. Now go come and tell you exactly what it is. Me old enough to know Gilbert and know people and me hear about and know we make a lot of money out of it. You understand? What happened now? This a storm, you know. It's a direct hit, you know.
Yeah, me can't see it. You know, as me say, them say young brother know storm still, but look at the place.
Look here. A category 5. We not equipped for that. It's enough devastation. Wait no man. I think out this thing, you know.
We really want to know why I plan on us, you know.
No man, hold on, man. The plan is for me and you, boss man. Not business nobody else. Zin?
Yeah.
But you are going now. This a direct hit here. You will get a whole heap of help. I know say me I MP. So you know what that mean? Everything will come through my hand.
Yeah.
That's the reason why I'm calling here, so now. As a little loyal man, we know how to do things and how to, you know, and so forth. What heap of money can make, man? Don't worry about them people and so forth, man. You know? Politics in Jamaica, nobody not get no trouble. One politician never get no problem. Jack Smith. And he not no sense. That can't happen to him. Zin?
Yeah.
But here waiting, man. When all them relief things come and stuff, we have a control that. Never like a plan, man, so don't worry about it. How are you, man?
That's all bad.
They think say me I got dead poor? Eh? They think say his salary me I get can't carry me? No man, that can't work, man. How are you? So anyway, as me said before, we have a master plan. This definitely I go mash up this place. America have from 2004 Katrina mash up America and now they can't recover. And it's a 5 years something. So I tell them, man, don't worry yourself.
Ready for anything will come.
Come here, man. Yo, we are rich.
And I'm tired of suffering like the same thing.
Don't worry about this. What can I say? Zinc, concrete.
Concrete, man.
You're good then, man. Concrete, me have to, you know.
Concrete, man.
Yeah, man. But watch and see what happens. We're all right. We're all right. Zinc, sir?
One of work, man.
Yeah, man. We're all work together, man. Don't worry yourself. You see, if I storm come, just know where to come find me. See?
Yeah, man. I come connect you, man. Because I say, want a piece of food.
Boss, man. It's a fortune to line up.
I believe in your work, you know.
Me, man. Me see what happen.
What?
You need to wait them to come.
See you go and see you now if you give me permission to come in your house.
I'm telling you.
Well, get your body storm, right?
Yeah, me hear about it,
So as you know, I'm living in one board house and everybody else said the storm are gonna be serious and all of that. And honestly I take it serious. And I don't want to do it by myself.
Well, listen, what I listen to nobody, no storm not come. No storm not come, listen to nobody.
Well, just in case the storm come, me I say if I could have crashed with you until after it passed because me don't want to do it and anything happen, man. You know me live alone.
Alright, then I can't come stay still, but under one circumstances, I have to buy some food because none of there.
No, Apple J, you never eat food in your house.
But me alone live, you know.
But then no problem for me get food because, you know, because I will hurricane and whatever the company I give you a little money to start out with stuff.
I'll make sure I say, I alone I come and I nobody else.
What that's supposed to mean? I just tell us to live alone.
Yeah, just tell me that, but you know you're not there par for the towel in tree. So I'm not circle there, so I'm just have a know.
Listen, Trey alright wish party in there. Me I talk about me. Me need someone to stay just in case the storm decide to want blow away the house.
Yeah, I'm trying to say you can come. You can come. But make sure you're alone.
I'm me alone I come.
Alright, make sure.
So like they said the storm supposed to come Tuesday. Me I go just bring over my things them by tomorrow or so.
Yeah, man, there tomorrow. Just come before you come. Come on, must be here tomorrow. Just come before you come. I mean, left the keys somewhere or so.
Alright.
But you know, so much drink before you go.
You have something for offer me to drink, but then I have grocery in your house. So, alright.
Well, it's just not easy either.
Balfoot,
Yes. Yes,
you
boss.
been drinking? I
No.
hope you haven't been drinking, Balfoot.
Boss, you say me not for drink no rum, boss. You tell about it, you know.
anything will happen over here is on you, you know.
Trust me, no boss. Everything good, man. You,
Balford, you see, as the vice principal of this institution, you know,
I respect you, boss.
the responsibility is on me to ensure that you secure the place.
Yes, boss.
Right?
Everything good, man. Well,
We don't want any problem, you know. No special in a Balford.
No, everything good, man. Everything
What?
good,
Make sure it's just juice you're drinking.
yeah. Of course, that's juice. That's straight
Okay.
juice.
Oh, what about Mr. Anderson?
Juice, man.
I'm here. How you doing, sir?
I'm good. What about Balford?
Everything good.
Yeah, man. Mr. Anderson, you know, as a concerned citizen of the community.
Yeah, continue. General, I'm there work, yeah? You know, some place secure.
Balford.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, so as I was saying, Mr. Anderson, as a concerned citizen in the community, I was wondering what's the plan for the preparation for the storm?
We sort of, well, we're not prepared, to be honest. We are not prepared because we don't have enough supplies. We don't have any food because we're going to be using the food in the canteen. If anybody show up, right? And I don't anticipate we're going to get anybody coming into the shelter. But if they should, we have a little bit left over in the canteen, or we can work with probably for a day, or can probably feed 20 or 30 people for a day. But not so much. So we're just waiting for the relevant authorities to bring some assistance to us. And then, you know, if the government should come in and further help us, then we should be fine. But I'm not the original shelter manager. I am the vice principal of the school, so I'm the deputy shelter manager at the moment. The manager himself is not feeling well, having some running belly for a few weeks, and haven't sorted that out, and you know how that can go already, right? Yeah, so I'm just here acting on his behalf.
All right, so here what I go do, because I know my house not so sturdy in our board and zinc top. So if in case of anything, I'll be coming in early before the storm. You know, and I'll definitely bring my stuff, which is canned goods and so forth, and probably a mattress. And just
We have space here, man. We have mattress here as well, so you don't need to worry about those things, man.
all right, no problem, Mr. Anderson. I'll just definitely come by when the time is right. All right?
Yeah, man, no
Yeah, man.
problem.
No problem. Yeah, man.
Balford, wake up, man.
What?
Balford, me just talk to you about this, you know.
Boss, the shift not started. Nobody not start coming in place, boss. Eh? You make it sound like say storm come. Storm not coming, boss. Everything good, man.
Balford, boy. Secure the place, Balford.
Yeah, bossy.
Me I can't rush go home, you know, because like it rain and come down the way I do.
Well, go home to, but yo, it's still a puzzle. I don't know why they must send home so early.
What do you mean by why they must try me tell us to take this thing serious, you know?
Barry, no storm now come.
Oh, okay, the storm now come. Well, me done move on my brother already, so where will you see?
You move on your brother?
Yeah, me carry myself them around, me tell you this morning.
So your brother no good no? No good no?
No, but you have to take extra precaution and that me do. Me no want it in the house for long for me. Remember, say I'm my only friend and live close to me, you know? And you have your house, anything can happen to.
But I don't believe so no storm come. Them been and say that and look there, you know see Beryl come and nothing really happen. All out the door me there and something. But I tell you, and me not turn in no hotel, me I go my yard. You see a hotel?
Me a girl and my brother.
We
Sure,
don't
I bet
understand
you
this
got the
work,
shelter where
you
they
know.
nearby you are. Me no know, just do something just in case. Just in case. You didn't even strap down your house top. You didn't even put block for your house top. Nothing you do.
I'm going to prove it to you, so no storm now. Believe.
Alright, say extra money where they give for preparation, what you gonna do?
I go buy a little liquor and something.
How the backside is for me, guy.
Oh,
Yeah, play with life.
now play with the life. Anyways, I'm in yard now go there.
You see Sky?
You see, say sky dark and something. You know, I don't pay that no mind. I regular sky dark and rainfall alone.
Yeah, man. Try you to listen.
You what, man?
Alright, you see, even if you not move out to your house, get your clear container them and put some of your clothes them in it just in case and your papers them or whatever, just in case.
You think about that?
Look, me I go home, go pack up there some stuff them some can carry on my brother, cause me want to be safe than sorry.
I think about it.
Yeah, think about it. Alright, Trey, do you thinking? Alright, me I go home and secure me need to secure.
No problem, man. Me see you.
I see you know like listen.
Me I listen to what I'm telling man. No.
So yes, you know.
Things don't look too good, you know. We need some help.
Boss man.
We need some food. We need a generator. We need some internet, some connection so we can get to the relevant authorities.
Wait no man. I am the relevant authorities. Zane? But you're waiting, you know. Let me ask you a question. Put that aside. You really send a man come on my yard? Eh?
We never have a choice.
You have a choice? You know, sir, I have to come up here. You know, we shot the water catch my van. Eh?
That's why you have a van. But that is besides the point.
Anyway, let me ask you a question. What kind of duty you do yourself? You're what here?
I am the deputy manager of the shelter.
You're deputy. You
Yes.
could almost swear some here say, are you in charge?
Yes, I am in charge at the moment.
So I don't understand. But anyway, first rule of leadership, let me tell you this. Everything is your fault. And when problem comes, you have to deal with it. What you call me for here now? Tell me.
But you're the leader.
I'm the leader for the area.
Yes, and the people are looking for you. We've been looking for you, Mr. MT.
The people I'm in the say attack?
Yes. We need help.
Boss man.
We want food.
As me
We
tell
want water. You see the place?
No, hold on. Back up. Every little thing, only run to politician. Eh? Only can't solve things on yourself. Imagine you're in charge here. And you have people here.
I'm doing the best that I can.
Yeah, but why you have to run and come call me? Why? Eh?
You are the government. We need the help.
No, everything will come on a run, come call government and whatever now. We are people like on it, you know. And everything is in a run, come, government this, government that. Want to solve problem on yourself, man. You're a man like me too, man. You understand? Them look basic something, they deal with that, man. You don't send somebody come on my yard, come up. I almost mash up my vehicle.
Mr. MP, Mr. MP. The people need your assistance. You can do something out of your pocket.
Out of where? This a pocket? I must a joke here, make. Help is on its way. Help
When
is
is
on
help
its-
going to come? When?
Hold on. You make phone call?
That's
You
why
get the call out?
that is why we need a
But
we need a
nobody can make no
Starlink.
call, big man.
We need a Starlink or something.
Where me I get Starlink from now? That's what I try to tell you.
Make it happen.
Boss man, I think me just snap my finger and anything
Mr.
happen.
MP,
And that's how they
make
put
it
me under so
happen.
much pressure.
That is why if you don't do it, we not vote for you.
Hold on. You don't have to go to yourself. Hold on. Back up. All right. I'm going to see what I can do. All right? Yeah, man. I'm going to see what I can do. And what you say, one?
We need a generator. We need a Starlink. We want food. We want water.
All right, but
And the people they want board and zinc and everything you can think of.
all right, sir. But help is on its way. But I'm going to say I can make, I don't know if I make the call, but I'm going to try to say if I can get word out for them kind of hurry up and push. But anyway, don't worry yourself, man. Me we get it deal with. All right? You understand me? Me get it deal with, man. Don't worry yourself. But I beg you do me a favor. In the meantime, you have some people in there where not necessarily need for in there. Some of them need to go home, man. Them place and that mash up and them something. Some of them just try and talk to some of them who can go home, go rebuild, man.
Nobody can go home.
Just
Nobody can go home. Where them a go?
so you want them to say everybody up?
You want the place yet? You go to the community yet?
No.
Me not see you in the community yet, you know.
That's all right, let's hold it down. Let's hold it down. All right, you what? Anyway, just do what me say. Is that reason why me tell you? Just who can go up on them feet and go back, go start rebuild. Like we can't them not gonna sit down and wait, Papa.
The people them cannot rebuild if they don't have anything to rebuild.
All right, sir. All right, you win. Anyway, me get that. All right? I'll see what I can.
All right, sir. Bye, foot!
As you can see here, this is after the storm. See the level of damage Melissa has caused. The place is flooded out. Oh my God. Morning.
Nothing not good.
Me never know say I start when I mash the place.
At least I know, me certainly say my house gone. The whole of house them up on the top gone. All miss on the house, me know say me lose everything.
Well,
See people them up there start thief out the things them out of the house, I carry them when me and pray, so then I take out my furniture them because me can't start over from scratch. Me stress out.
Blueberry, don't stress yourself out. Because you don't see your house so you look it. You don't know if you
You
move
see
away.
when I house them up there, sir?
That feed them house.
Me
Move for your
tell you.
house.
Me gotta check for my house. Listen, me like you optimistic and me a pray to God saying I gone to, but me know say gone at least, and me know.
Don't worry. I'll come with you, and if nothing happens to your house, I go make a video of that and put it on the platform so I can get some help for you. You hear me? So don't worry about nothing at all. Alright? Alright. Look at all this.
Grandma on. Grandma on, Salisa, look, Grandma
That's
on.
Blueberry, listen. Blueberry, listen.
Look, Grandma
Blueberry!
on. Oh, Miss Joyce, also Miss Joyce.
There's nothing you can do about. Come on, come. I'm gonna help you. Oh my God. Blueberry, I'm so sorry this happened to you. We know this is hard for you, but remember, with an influencer, we have a big platform, and maybe get you as much help as I need. All right, so we'll build back strong.
Your business, do what you have to do. Do what you have to do because me can't really build back this one.
Don't worry, we are gonna rebuild it back. I'm gonna help you rebuild it back, alright? Please stop yourself.
I need to go check for my friend Trey. I need to go check for Trey. I wonder if Trey alright.
Alright then, no problem. Me just go and take some footage to our house and then, yeah.
Just give me this. Go check for Trey.
Alright, just take it easy. Me just go take some footage to our house.
So I'm going big boss.
Ask me what go on and I look around and see. Eh?
Yo, I want to tell you how much water I have to walk in if you come and say, yes, brother.
Why? You talk about water? Boss man, you see what kind of vehicle me drive? And if me wind on my window, water coming for me, you know. So when I say, what you tell me? Me know what you talk about in the boss man.
So you are going?
This is the different. Eh?
Let me ask you still.
Eh.
What really out for going on now for you now? Because we need to make things hot one, you know.
Oh, well, you say before you come here, you know say caretaker out of the school there, where I take care of people, you know, man. The man come to me and tell me, say, boy, over there, overrun with people. All who live high life are going like, say, boy, them better off and people lay down beside people where them used to scan. So over there, overwhelmed with people.
You can't take me around John people over there, you know.
Boy, I don't know, you know, this come like I will put me on a stress now. What me I go do? As I look at one man, you know, so everybody I go turn to me.
Yeah.
See it? So, anyway, you see brother way over there? You want to run the place? I want you to do something for me still, you know.
Anything you say Godfather, man. I don't know ready anytime, you know, man.
All right. Little things are happening, you know, but I'll tell you still. But you're waiting, you know, I go over there. And why you kind of, you know, get on the inside and close team and hear where I go on because guess what happen? Things will come down, you know.
Yeah.
But me no want, listen to me, you know. Me no want it like him in charge, you know, because me I MP, you know. See? So you can imagine when we are give out stuff, and somebody something here, and somebody something there, who them I go remember?
Oh, yeah, man.
All right. And you know, say,
enough.
that alone, yeah, man, that alone.
I get to see it, you know, man.
How about you, man? Just remember the people I me doing them stuff there. So me no want, when him over there, me no want him go do that. That's a film job.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So me just want you get close to him and make me know where I go on exactly what I go on and just give me a insight. Things are happening, you know.
So, you know, you know?
Eh.
When do I want to go over there? Because
Boss
if I'm
man,
right now, I'm going to go over there, you know, man.
you see water where you take through come here, you take it go back. Right away. Me no want miss the opportunity. And as me tell you already, me see what go on and things are going to happen. Boss man, don't worry yourself. See? I'm here in this. How that sound?
Yeah, man, I ask someone ready anytime, Godfather, man. Anytime, man.
Look here,
I know
man.
what I'm going right now, I can know what I'm going to say. Yeah, we have to run things, you know.
Yeah, man. No, just not say it like that. See? But just get close to him and know where I go on and pinch me because I have an idea. I don't want to go through fee man for him get the credit. Are we depend on yourself? Are we run yourself? It's a freeway place. You understand?
Yeah, man, so I go over there, I know what
Yeah, man, how you say, man?
Because things have to go on, you know, man, because we're tired of water, you know.
Boss, man,
You see me?
know yourself, man. Just
I want a generator to be on a Starlink concept to see me because you can't take it dark right now.
yeah, I get. So me never bother talk. Just do what me tell you. That's the least. All them something there least. We all get things like I don't even bother talk. I see, you know. I see what I go on, you know.
So
You ever see eh?
we are trying to say, I see in the universe.
Boss man, that's cool. Just done with the sitting man. I tell you, say the help we are gonna get, yes, so. Zine? Why things are out there, the bridging where you can't even believe. You get things, you probably get all a new house.
That's a good father, man. But you are going,
Eh.
I go up on my house, I go check up on my house before I go over the sale, so. As soon as we done, look at me up on my house for deal with. I'll slide go over because, as I say, I forget something.
Make sure, say, you do what me tell you.
That's a good for man.
All right?
We connect you, man.
Yeah, man. We're good. We're good. We're good this a time. I tell you.
Trey! Trey!
Hey!
Trey!
Hey!
Jesus. Thank God you're alright.
What happened there?
Oh, it's gone.
Your house gone?
It's gone flat. So which way you did it? You did in a house and it a fall down?
Yeah, me did that house and I say, you not go stay. Me have to kick off one part and come out. I don't like shelter. Me see people I get out and me just go down there.
A good things I'm go up Apogee because my house flat ground. Like if people them all thief for my things them nothing no did they. Me no know me I got do true.
Calm down. You see? Me no expect say really go happen either. You know see when me there, me in my house and it happen. If me never come out and know say you would even get fear talk to me right now. That if you understand. Cause me no really believe say it go happen. So right now we just have to just figure out how to set back ourselves. You see me? This is a lesson I teach you right now. Say we have to prepare, we have to build us stronger. You can't stress yourself now, just think about how to set back right now. You understand what I
Yeah,
say?
but Trey, remember, say a simple thing for put on the roof, you know, my house gone. Me I carry around there, because my house gone, nothing left. No help for my brother house, my brother soon get tired of me, you know.
Jesus, God.
I don't know what me I go do. I mean, not gone no shelter.
Me no want their shelter either. Me don't know what me I gonna do either right now. You just stop it crying. We are gonna figure something out. Do you know? Blueberry, calm down now, berry, calm down. What you know? A good thing say in the night it coming up, because if I would be alive right now today, now we just have to give God thanks. You see me? Right now we just have to try to set back ourselves. Just come on, get a hold of yourself, man. You're stronger than this, you know, remember, say we work in the same place, you know. Come to you. I know you this. Just calm down, believe. You see me? I did that for you to help you too.
So what do you know?
What you mean want me to make me go look for my house and the whole of my house gone?
Say me can't ball and I go on, sir?
That is something for ball for Apogee.
But look how much somebody lose your house.
So now everybody miss it on the road a ball. That's all everybody can do, you know.
Tone your voice in your house, so I talk to you. Come on, go down loud my voice off for you.
What you mean by me for tone down my voice?
Can you get too loud?
Alright, Apogee. Me a ball because my house gone and I don't know what me I gotta do.
So, what you plan for the now? Since you're losing, so you plan for the? Because, yeah, we're trying to figure out this, you know. We really have to try to figure out this.
Yeah, my brother, you should have asked me that. You know, asked me if I'm good nothing. Yeah, work with the MP. You're not even saying make you try reach out to him and get me 2 Zinc or something. You just jump into what me I gotta do. You gonna put me out?
You have to remember saying, you know, on a full partner power, you know. So my MP still have to wait for the government to send down things. And me really want something more tight to see me, because when I take one of them continuously. Nah, some more help you out still, but everybody look out for themselves nowadays.
Say moral life story is you look out for yourself.
I never tell her that.
Me not understand it because your sister lose her. Me lose everything in the Apogee you want to sit in your place. I land alone today. And me I stay with it and you basically tell me I need to figure it out because what?
But Barry, why make it look like say me make the storm come here? I don't mean make the storm come here, no? But listen how gone, man. Just relax yourself. And me assume me can do for you. I now promise I still know, but I have to see what I can do for you. You get me I say? So here I go on. Just go and relax and yourself. I'll go on the road and come back. Zin? You can't answer me.
Good night.
Good night, Mom. How
Um,
can I assist you at this time?
yes. Can I speak with the shelter manager? Do you know where I can find him?
The shelter manager is around there, so but who is how long you coming to stay here? And what you want?
Oh no, I don't come to stay. I just come to speak with the manager.
Okay, so I think
Sorry, it's my so drunk.
what do you mean? You know what I want? You know what's me lose? Eh? But they are work for people, man, they not even secure certain things yet. As them say.
I gotta speak to the manager. No.
Go and speak to the manager, go speak to the manager. And nobody tell you something when I drink, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Let me know your face. How would that?
Are you the shelter manager?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I would like to speak to you. Can you please step out of the car, please?
Okay, just a minute, just a minute. Good night.
Good night. Alright, I'm an influencer. I have a big platform on YouTube. My influencer name is Pinky the Best, and I have seen the damages that the storm has caused. So I want to volunteer my service to the shelter. Is there anything I can help with? Because I have seen the damages that the storm has caused.
So I am Richard Anderson, and I am the deputy shelter manager here. We're doing very bad, as you can see, and I can't get to anybody. So, in any way you could help us, put it on your YouTube, or I don't know what you people use, but we want to get to the authorities. Anybody that can help. We need food, clothes. We have a lot of babies here. You understand? You can hear them crying and everything. So anything that we can get, would appreciate the assistance.
I'd love to help. So you guys don't have any access to Wi-Fi or?
No. There's no connection because it look like everything come down with the hurricane. So we don't have any power, any communication.
Alright, so I do have a Starlink that I can give you guys.
Really?
Yes, and a mini generator to help you guys with
Oh
the...
my God, we'd appreciate that.
Yeah, man. I just want to help because I've seen the damage that the storm has caused.
We'd appreciate that. Yes,
Yeah, man.
I'd like to make a call like right now too, because I'd like to call somebody. Oh,
Tonight?
yeah, tonight.
So can you wait until tomorrow?
No, we can't wait. The Lord send you yesterday tonight, you know.
Well, no,
Balford!
Wait. Balford, the security there, sir?
Yes, man, him can assist you.
The security man there, well, look
Yes,
like he's
Balford
drunk.
can assist you. He can help you care about the Starlink and the generator.
Alright then, no problem.
You can go on. I'm gonna be right here waiting.
So if you drive
Yes,
with the
man.
drunk,
No.
but the man look drunk.
No, man, Balford will protect you. He's like that, man. He's just free spirited. He's a very good security. Trust me. I'm here waiting for you, you know.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, man, I'm going to sit in my car. I'm
Alright.
going to be waiting.
Alright,
All right?
no problem.
Yes, Lord. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Yes. It is Starlink. Who are you?
Oh, I'm a general.
Good night, sir.
Good night. You know, say, tell you the truth though. Or the shelter manager I look for. But you must see the car on and
I
so me
am
come check.
the shelter manager.
Alright, so good. So to be honest, do you know? I say I really want to come go and send over here.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, I want to volunteer and if I have a security work or something, because nobody can rob the thing and the truck them when I come in or something. And nobody rob them, because you don't know if anything when I come into, you know.
No, I don't really know, you know. But we have a security over here, though.
No, man, but I'm not saying security will come.
Oh, no, man. No, man. I send him on some duty, you know. That's waiting on something.
Where are we from?
A Starlink.
Starlink?
Yeah, man, a Starlink.
How are you Starlink and I'm general?
You know, it was a young lady, Pinky the Best. Some influencer. She just came earlier tonight, man.
Okay.
So she gone to get it with Balford. So they should be here soon.
That not sound bad.
But we're looking for the help. We're looking for the help. And we're hoping that we'll get some help.
Alright, here we go now. So as I say, I want to go on our strength.
Yeah, man, any way you can help
You
us
see me?
around, you know.
So here we
We'd
go.
appreciate it.
Here we go on. I'm here apart for today. Because I want good youth, you know. I want good youth as well. That's it.
Yeah, man, we appreciate that.
Yeah, man.
Your name is?
You know, say J them call me, but I write him Apple J.
Apple J.
Yeah.
Okay, Apple J. You can come back in the morning, man.
Definitely will check you.
Yeah, man. A lot should be happening
Listen,
in the morning.
I'm gonna wear my button front shirt and my nice pants, nice shoes. Don't look at me now, you know. But definitely.
I think you should wear a water boot still, cause you know.
Yeah, man, no problem, man. So, Mr. Anderson, check your morning.
All right, Mr. Apple J.
6 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, Miss Gigi.
Good evening.
I know we're going through a hard time right now after the storm, so I bought a little care package for you just to help out because I know it's very hard at this moment. So this is what I can help with for the time being.
Thank you very much. Thank
Yeah,
you,
man, no
Lord.
problem.
Thank you. Them day I cry. I don't know where next meal did I come from.
It's the least I could do.
Thank you, Lord. You answer my prayer. You answer my prayer, God. But you have any more?
Yes, I do have a few more packages, but there are a few more people I need to help out. So on the next trip, hopefully I will stop by, alright?
I'm not greedy, me greedy. Why me ask if you have any more?
Oh no, I wasn't thinking of that.
But when we look how everything are exposed, the Bible say, you see, for your right hand know enough to make your left hand know. So you see if you can get one darker bag and put them in there, or one brown paper bag, it would have even much better. I tell you the truth. Me appreciate it still, and I'm not ungrateful.
Oh no, I wasn't thinking of that.
See there, it start mash down. Everything me lose, everything. Everything me lose, girl. But God is
I'm
good.
so
See it,
sorry.
the sun just take little crapses out of the rubble and just take up back one room. You know how much are we in it? A 6 hours we are staying at it. But thank God for Jesus, because some people in a worse situation than me. And me have to come out and pick up the pieces because God say help those who help themselves.
Right. Hopefully you will also get back like us, alright? And I pray for my help to come to your way. Alright, so come here.
Alright, God bless you here.
Yeah man, you
I'm my
too.
granddaughter, God bless you.
Miss Margaret! Miss Margaret! Miss Margaret! I hear me here say out here, you know? So Lord God a true man.
You know what I say? All over the school me did there. And the dirty people then run me out. They run me out because them too bad mind. Them bad mind me. See it there, and the one panty when Melissa left for me fine in this where you see her so. Then gone with it from over school. Me don't have no clothes to put on. See it there now. Then two little something them when they say me catch little sleep underneath here so me stay. From they run me from over school. I right here so me live. How you find me, my love?
I hear me here say you're around here asleep on that something. Listen, alright, listen. Don't cry. More want help you, yeah?
No, tell me if you no cry. Night and day me there underneath
Do
this.
not cry. It's okay. Me go find a way to help you. Come here.
Eh?
Remember say me is an influencer and me help some people when Melissa affect. Come the way.
At least your name, me know you for a long time, and me no want you come trick me, no. Cause see them, me think me coulda stay over at school and then run me from over there sake of them.
Yeah,
I some dirty drunk people over there, you know. Yes.
Alright, let's come.
You know, say I want lady pass and give me this cause I humble pan the board me used to sleep. Yes.
Yes.
And she give me them, yeah.
Yeah, alright, come. Yeah, man. Oh God, me can't believe this really happened to you. Where things ended? Just let me have.
I want lady did pass and give me them here, but then can't fit me.
Then can't fit. Alright, let's come. Never help you. Alright,
Yes.
just.
And the whole of my shoes them gone. Wait.
Careful.
Wait.
Yeah, just take up your slippers and come this way.
And you know, say somebody had this me a pass one house I broke down and me find a piece of slippers and me not have no shoes.
Alright, we'll get a one new shoes.
Wait.
Just come the way.
No. Me want to comb.
Alright, go for your comb.
No. Me.
Alright, just come this way.
This alone me left with. This alone.
Yes, Miss Margaret. I'm going to help you, alright? I'm going to help you.
Alright. You think I could have carried one of them there for baby in a car? The breeze gone with me bad pan.
Leave everything, alright? Just leave everything. I am here to help.
Where can me go?
Don't worry. I'm gonna help you, alright?
Alicia, me know you long time now. Open and set me up, you know.
No, Miss Margaret, I am not going to do that. You know I'm an influencer and I'm going to find out a way to help you.
piece of
Alright?
watch out.
Just put
No,
on.
me I show you look
Yeah, man, me see it.
Me
Just
no have
put
no
on here
shoes.
and come.
Me find here somebody else will blow down.
Alright, careful.
Thank you for come. I will
man.
send you around here, so where you find me?
Like I said, I hear me here say around here.
Yeah, me take up some of them here.
No, man, just leave it, close them alone. I mind something cut you. Come this way, please. Come out here, so. Take your time. Miss Margaret, just leave it, close them alone. Y'all
don't
get
have no clothes to put on.
Just leave it.
The whole of me
See,
clothes
I'm
them
not
blow
up
away.
in the water, Miss Margaret.
No, me want me clothes them.
Alright.
Look how your skinny, your clothes them can't fit me.
Miss Margaret.
Put them in my bag.
Alright, see them, put in a bag for you.
Remember, say me no know where they carry me go. You know,
Yeah, alright. Just come. Take time and come down. Take your time.
Watch out.
Miss Margaret, leave it, don't sit in the alone now. Just come now, just
I
come.
make good season the breeze
What you
blow
do with this? I done 2 PS. Y'all get one next 2 PS. Just come now, come.
All my
Listen me.
TV gone. Me not have
Listen
nothing
me.
to watch. Me not
Listen
no
me.
current, me not no water, me not no Wi-Fi.
Relax. Me I'll get your help. Alright? Just relax, Miss
Where they
Margaret.
carry me go? Where they
Me
carry me?
not carry you nowhere. Listen.
Look for me zinc them over there.
Let's leave these things them alone. Listen to me. Alright? You know I'm an influencer, right? I'm gonna make contents on YouTube and so forth. So I am going to make a video with you and put it out there for the viewers to see so they can send in donations to help you with your situation that you're in. Alright? So that's what exactly I'm going to do. Don't worry, I'm going to help you out. Alright? So I'm just going to make this short video. And after I make this short video, you're going to stay with me for the time being. Right? Because honestly, I am so sorry to see you in this kind of condition.
You have water in your yard?
Everything.
Because I not beard from me the right say, you know?
Everything. I have everything. So after I make this video of you,
I catch up cold in the night because the night Jew.
Alright, no, don't worry about that. We'll get through with it, alright? So I'm gonna make this short video with her, alright? Just a moment. I can't believe this happened to you, I swear. I cannot believe this.
I dirty people them over in school, they that drunker them. Me not like them, they ungrateful and then stay bad. They not like see other people get nothing, them alone and creep everything. They run me out.
Alright, nobody pay them no mind. Alright, so I'm gonna make this short video here. So just please bear with me, alright? And I'm here with one of my old friend here, one of Melissa's victim.
I'm Margaret, my name.
Margaret. And she is badly affected by the storm here. So guys, I want you to please help her out.
Please, me I beg you no.
Her number, my number, I'm sorry, will be posted. And you guys can send in your donations and so forth. Please do your best to help out my friend here. She has been affected really bad. Alright? So I'm just gonna ask her a few questions and she will answer them. Alright? So you can tell the viewers your experience during the storm, just a bit, not too much, and then we'll cut it from there. Alright? Tell us, Miss Margaret, what's your experience during the storm? What happened?
Me hear it three them and sing some different song, like a different language they in. And me never understand it. And the water come in through the window, bottom and I do bottom. Me flood out, the bed gone, me no know which part it drop. The whole of me sick them. See, this is my dress over there, so look. And see me cupboard where did in my kitchen. You see me stove there, all know me no cook nothing. Because the little sick where they give me over school. The people them thief if and die there, so me they put it. Them wicked and so dirty drunk of people there over there, you know. And guess what, Alicia? Me say, remember me tell you about the one panty where me have see, they only come alone. Me, okay, you take it clothes them from where woman give me and they say me feel left it. Alicia, I beg you. You say me fi come on, I hope you go put me up somewhere for me comfortable because me tell you already, you know, no, me see the, me no light and water, you know, me no bed from me come and say, you know.
Alright, Miss Margaret, listen, me have to go cut out the part there because me can't make you viewers them know every single detail about what happened. Alright, so please, just cut it yourself now, alright? This is too much, alright? So just... Alright guys, so as you can see behind me here is Miss Margaret's house that's been very badly affected by the hurricane. So I'm just gonna give you a brief zoom in on what actually happened right here. As you can see.
And show them me tile it over there so too.
Okay, Miss Margaret. Okay,
see it over there so, see it over there so.
Yes, Miss Margaret. Alright, so there's her toilet over there. Alright? Guys, this is a very bad situation. So I'm asking you all to please send your donations to help Miss Margaret. Please send in your donations. My number will be posted on the screen. Y'all, please send in as much help as you can. Alright, Miss Margaret?
Okay.
Alright, so Miss Margaret, as you can see, I have made a video with you. I'm going to put it on the internet so that people can see and help you with the situation you're in. Alright, so for the time being, please come with me. You're going to stay with me for the time. Help you with anything you want, water, food, shelter. You'll be okay. Clothes. No problem. You can have your bag, man. Just come with me. You're going to stay with me for the time being. Is that okay?
Yeah?
Is that okay?
To stay with you?
To stay with me for the time being.
So me and you go sleep?
No, there's a guest room inside my house
Oh,
that
come
you
in
can
and
stay
like sleep
in.
with you, man. Me rather you left me
Okay.
underneath this so.
Well, alright then. Come on. So. Good evening, Miss Margaret.
Before you go talk about Evelyn, me ask you a question. Who will dare you the out on the road? You know me, nobody will tell you say they would help me.
To be honest, Miss Margaret, no. No donations are coming back for it by the time.
Wait, what you say? You be honest with me. No donation no coming yet.
None.
So what good about the evening you come and come tell me about good evening, Miss Margaret?
Miss Margaret, please calm
Nothing
down.
good about this evening, yeah. When the time look here. What Alicia, so we will on there. You really take me go put me in front of camera for no not all.
But Miss Margaret,
And
I
waste
just
my
saw
precious time asleep. Me did I sleep, you know?
Miss Margaret, listen to me. And I just saw you have to wait on the donations to come in. It takes time.
Not even one somebody. No give you none to ask if you give me.
No.
Mine you get you and take you, you know.
Why would I do that now?
Me no know.
Listen, I am trying my best to help you. Alright, so please just bear with me now.
In a which way? You can't tell me good evening and the evening no good. Cause from whole day you out so. I walk up and down and say I'm influencer. I grown with camera and they put it on people. I know
It is my work.
Nothing.
And listen, it's not only you alone donations that come in for Miss Margaret. So I don't know why you behave so.
Alicia, you sure say no donation no come in none tall for me? Because you put me in front of camera. And right you know, that depends on social media. And it big. Say it gone viral. So me no understand what you say. So you want me living in your house forever? You don't want me have my own thing?
Miss Margaret, I do not want you to stay here forever. But anyways, please, just no bother with the argument. Alright? No bother with it. Here, I'm gonna go to the shelter, the help and volunteer, and do some videos and all type of stuffs. And we get one clear package for you. Right here. We got something for you. So
You get care package for me?
yes.
Why not?
Clothes, come in know you not having much clothes and we just get some clothes for you.
See it there? Me dey ask for clothes. Me ask
Miss
for
Margaret,
clothes.
Miss Margaret, me not
in front
understand.
of camera, figure big clothes. Me can live in a clothes.
But you
Me
need
born
clothes.
naked. Me
But
born naked. But me have to live in a one house. Me think you take me put me in front of your camera where they show off with about your influencer. For me get house. If I want container, if I want little zinc or something, nothing at all.
Miss Margaret, all my officer say is Just do the look like we have here for now. Please.
Me tired for yam, tin mackerel and canned beans.
Well, it's the only thing here, and until then, that's what you have to go work with, alright? I'm tired. I'm going to go sleep.
We need a whole heap of humanitarian aid and them something there, down here, Whole of the house, them man, me I tell you, say, blow down and right now, water the pan road right now, me I tell you, say, the whole place stagnant, man. Trust me, not even food we don't have, man. Nothing at all, no water, no light. We can't contact with people, them all are foreign and them something there. So that's what we want to know, so how we all get little assistance. You see what I say?
Hey, Trey.
What's up, Pinky? What?
Me there, I know. How you look so?
Why not no good for me?
My God.
Me just go and hold it still, you know.
Me see it,
Try
man.
organize few things.
So, you never badly hurt or nothing?
Yeah, some never badly hurt in a car, you know. Me they have to escape on a time. Yeah, man, me have to kick off your son come through, man, because I see roof lift off. And me no want to get chopped up, you know when storm, man, Zinc chop up people. Yeah, man, so me have to come out and me look at beer, mud and water.
Eh?
Yeah.
So, where did you run go?
Where me go? I don't have shelter, me there have to go. I don't them there right now.
My God. Why? I'm sorry for you what happened to you still. But here what happened. The only reason I come here though because you know me I'm an influencer, right?
Yeah, man, me know that, man. So
Yeah.
you always do a little thing, you know?
Yeah, and me really want to do one vlog to help out the people them where Melissa affect.
Oh.
You see me I say? So like how you in the situation right now, I want to do an interview with you.
I mean, man, Pinky, at least that. But I'm grateful for your little help, man. So a question though. I mean, only somebody here video?
As in if you're the only person I have ever interviewed.
Yeah.
No man, me interview other people too.
Oh, other people like who?
Like you know Miss Margaret Faronso?
Boy, Miss Margaret, which Miss Margaret?
You don't know Miss Margaret Faronso, man. You remember her?
That the Margaret there?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not really fight against people, you know, because no people want help, you know. But Margaret, a demons that.
What you mean a demons?
Problem, woman. Yeah, yeah, we help him, man, trust me. He's stabbing your one back. Wicked.
What you mean? What you mean? What she do?
I'll tell you one story about Margaret, you know, because I'll tell you. One time, you know, Margaret thief light. And when he put up that the wire there, the whole neighborhood go dark. For one whole month, JPS no come. One whole month, man, in the dark, and I can't stand heat.
Well, Trey, to be honest, me not go support that the situation there or agree to that or believe that. But all I'm here is to help as much people as I can.
Margaret is an ungrateful woman, so you have to look out. Remember, say me, Trey, tell her that, you know.
Alright then, thanks for letting me know, but
Okay.
I'm here to help as much people as I can.
Yeah, man. So,
Alright?
keep it on now.
So, yes, I'm
So me
ready
look-
right
me look-
now.
me look appropriate for night.
No, yeah man, that good, that good. Alright, let me just get this up and running. Alright, here we go. Ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so Trey, tell us about your experience that happened with you during the storm.
Really and truly, you know, people may believe say storm are going to come, you know, because regular storm come in and we expect it like this. So me in my house and something come and say, I just storm, I just wind and then look rain and something. 2 toes me hear look a rackle. And me come out to the hall or so, and me look the roof lift off. And me see place that come down, so me have to kick out through here, so you know, come out. Because me I say, by the time I reach out now, the place there's a drop down. A good thing I get to lick me or something, but I come out there's a beer mud or something. And me just take me little time and swim, go around. Because the place, the water tall. Right now, me need the help. Do me a beg, you know, because you see, me one can't do it, you know, but me I try my best. And me there right now, I don't have shelter. Me there, I go and hold it. I would appreciate if you can help me out. Please and thanks.
Okay, guys, you heard it yourself. So, if you want to reach out to me to help Trey here, my number will be provided on the screen, y'all. And I want you to all send in your donations to help my friend here. He really needs help. And to all the persons I'm going to interview, guys. All right? So thank you all for watching. I love you guys so much, and peace out. All right, so Trey, if any donations is reached out to me, I will let you know.
Yeah, man.
All right?
Thank you. I'm grateful, man. Thank you very much. I'm glad you come by and something. I know I can see the situation we're in.
Yeah, man, no problem.
God makes you there so today here. God
I am
bless
happy
you.
to help.
Yeah, man.
I'm happy
God
to help.
bless you. Thank you, man. All right, take care here.
Yeah, man, you too.
Super wagon. Just a report for duty though.
Me I wonder how me not see you from other day.
My boss said trade you understand. I know say for me I smash up to and kinda get to start up back on look away and thing. God, I'm sister me still you know. But right now she has shown pay bad face, so I want to get up and get it sorted out, you know?
Alright. Help is on the way, you know. Help is on the way because we have a delivery truck coming in. And we're going to have a lot of care packages on it. And I'll have probably 500. And we have 200 people over here. Right? So I'm going to need your help. Because we're going to get a lot of food stuff, water, everything.
Yeah, man, I did it, man. I don't know my telephone day one, man. Say, how? My turn off thing, man.
You can't let me down enough, sir.
No, man.
And I don't want you to load it up. Right? Don't want you to load it up. But we're getting some help, man. We're getting some help. And we don't want people to come in and go in and taking as they feel like, you know. Right? Alright.
So I'm gonna walk around the plan. Let's go check him out here.
Alright, yeah, man, I'm here.
Yo, cheer! Come on, come out there and come.
Yo!
Come out there and come.
Ah! So I'm going.
The fun.
Then some clothes me I try wash out, you know, because boy, they went soak up in the rain and so.
You see, it's time much up and up like shelter there still, you see me?
Yeah, man.
I'm saying I can look at care package long here. Come realize say, you think that's really enough for the car, try all the pound.
Me give thanks, man.
You know, it's enough still, but
This day, the small things that matter enough father, you see me?
yeah, man. And everybody understanding things still, but so we are going differently.
Well, you know, me I try to get along with some things, you know, me I work on something, you know, I try to build up back, you know. I'm not want to stand down there so too long.
So you are going, no? You have a great plan. Because I don't know me politician link, you know.
Eh?
Yeah.
Things are going for you, man.
But you know, man, someone want to go on for you too. And it's like a house smash up on thing, you see me? So here I go. And my sister tell me, say, house smash up on thing, brother.
True.
And once my sister a friend, I have to look out for you, dog, you see me? You don't know how I stay in the street. So, one trucker fall down from town with some care package, in. But over the school it a go. You see me? But in from boss and that type of politician, on rabbit, you see me? So, on a rabbit, I know, brother, it's easy. Politician help you out and get what you thing up and running, brother, you see it?
I understand what you're saying, man.
Yeah, man, so that's a really plan, though, because when I move from a shelter, because I respect you, you know, because yeah, my sister a good friend, you know. You see me? Because when I'm in my place, my sister there stay, you know.
Yeah, man, me know that already, man.
Yeah, man. So
A
that's the
question
thing.
still, why make you tell me all of this boy politician thing?
But I just some lies, so I'm dog. I just believe say I want to lie you, dog. You see it? To how you start move, I say I want to lie you, brother. So I say I put you on my wings.
You just be there to support you.
Brother, stop worrying about that, no, man. Is that dog work, then I work it, bro.
About I work, you have to make me know what kind of work. I not just go to work so you know remember say
You know, just tell us I go take everything off my truck. Where I come from town for my school.
and give people them.
No worry about that part, man. If you can't work it, brother, I have to take back your care package, dog.
So I can't take back the package, brother.
Bro, the politician give me thing, brother, so I can't have any wings, bro, that make no sense. I can't give one thing, brother, you now can work with it.
I'm really see if me understand what you are trying to say, Apple J. You want me thief is something them off my truck?
I'm glad that you get to me, I say now.
No, brother. Me can't do that.
What do you mean you can't do that?
Me not thief, bad man. Me work hard for what me want in a life, bro. How far me I come from, you know, you want me thief?
Listen up, me just talked a while ago. Take time to talk, because this thing is serious. So hear me I say. When you say, nah, work with it.
Me can't work with that, bro.
So you know what you have to do then. I will give my people in pocket, bro.
Simple, father. Me can't do that.
Yeah, man. We'll just find someone else, dog.
Can't be a criminal, bro.
No, listen, I know disrespect still, but I can't give one thing. Because it's a counted thing, them.
As much as how me need it, me can't see myself I do then something there for Jay. I know like say, me not really need this, you know, but me not gonna do that. Want to people them over school. How that I go? Where them I go get?
Brother, you're responsible for people over school?
If people them need
Hold on, me ask you a question. You know what rich?
more rich but not so
I
happy,
don't
Jay.
think more people, brother. I don't think more people, dog. Say they are work with it, they work with it, dog.
No work with that, me sorry.
Alright, you are gone. I done super fit today, you know. So you know what I do, I left right, so.
Yeah, man.
See for my sister?
Man.
My sister already long time.
Yeah, that's between you and your sister. God go, we don't know.
Brother, you're shaky, warrior.
You know, wanna get full of mindset from brother.
Miss Margaret. Auntie, alright?
Good man.
So me can say me so. You eat none food there? Cook?
Me no nyam yet, you know. Me put it down away so till when you come back, cause me see me there cook this morning, you know, before you leave, you know.
But anyways, me come down from the hardware about 5 sheets of zinc for you and 4 pieces of 2 before.
You buy zinc for me?
Yeah, man.
And 2 before? How much zinc you say you buy for me again? Thank you.
5 sheets of zinc and 4 pieces of 2 before. What happened?
Five, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sheets of zinc you give me?
Yes.
Sheet of zinc for me?
Yes, Miss Margaret.
And 4. 2 before?
Mm-hmm.
You mean 1, 2, 3, 4 piece of 2 before you buy for me?
Yes,
so
Miss
that
Margaret.
You take me up from around and my piece all house when Melissa blow away.
Miss Margaret, the things them hardware are expensive. And moreover, at the money with the viewers, the people them sending as donation for you, that's what I take to pay for the zincs and the boards.
Before you give me
So
look before you give me finian. This.
And you alone may have to help. Remember, say there's other people out there that Melissa affected too, and I have to spend the money equally. I'm not spending your money that was specifically sent in for you from your viewers and your donators.
So you couldn't get more money if you buy more zinc, give me? Yeah,
Is what your donators sent in, Miss Margaret. There's nothing I can do about it. Come on now, why you behave like this?
You should have given me more than 5 sheets of zinc. I don't like you for that. You have to give me 5. 5 sheets of zinc.
Miss Margaret.
No, more you listen to me good. Can you come like I say?
Miss Margaret, please calm down. Listen.
You could have get more if you give me.
Just listen.
And you just give me 5?
That is what I had to buy for now. So if there's any more money sent in for you, I will buy more zincs, alright? And boards for you to build up at your house. Until then,
let me talk to you a little bit there. I know say you begin feelings. So you love them sitting here, you know, and love how you try to shame me. So
I
you give me 5 sheets of zinc and 4
Miss Margaret.
before. Listen to me, man. So the other day when you come put me in front of camera.
It's for you to get help.
I really 5 sheets of zinc you put me in front of camera if you come.
But Miss Margaret, you're missing the point here. I said it's what your donators sent in for the time being. Until then, you'll get more zincs and more money is being sent. Do you understand now?
I don't understand that part there. Because my mind tell me say, it's true me did live round so. And you know me long time. Remember say a long time you know me, you know. My mind not tell me say, you could have given me more than 5 sheets of zinc. You
know what, Miss Margaret? I'm just going to go in and have a rest because I have had a long day today. So we'll talk afterwards, alright?
Jeffrey! Oh, God.
How would that account?
Boy, I want to tell you, I couldn't shelter can look for, but then Tim sit down in your yard.
Yeah, man. What God?
And there. Let me know, also, brother, because son to what my youth.
But I don't really let people in my house still.
Boy, I get grateful damage, man. Why I go manager now?
I don't know, brother. Why I'm stressed out, dog.
So I gone, man. It's a rough thing for you, but get some care pocket for the MP, you know. Because you don't know my MP link already. I'm saying I care a few things going to give.
Eh,
Because I don't know, say I'm set to live good for a longer time.
but I don't say the MP a link.
Yeah, man, that's some link here last time, man. So we go for a little looting car, right, you know. MP have some work for do, you know. So I look like a soldier, brother. I'm a link, brother, I'm moving like a fool.
Thanks still, you know. Because right now, we lose my entire rooftop all right now.
Don't worry yourself, man. Watch you know. You see if you come with me on the work, I can make MP build back your roof, brother. Build back your house.
Yo, right now, but I got for that, because right now, no work, dog, go on right now. Stress out, dog, I swear.
Yo, listen, man. The looting, brother. Can make things up, man. Can once I will pass things blow it to see you and something.
Right now, I'm in a position right now where my hand broke and I have a head injury and I can't do no heavy lifting, you know. And I tell you before I start, you know, say, I'm in the looting, you know. I don't disrespect thing, you know. I'm glad for a little package, you know,
Brother,
because
I don't know looting, brother. Listen, let me explain to you. Let me give a full load on a height thing now. At the MP, we are do something for Zinc. The MP, but I don't really know people who have things we are going to loot, brother. And the next party send down something. And the MP line up some thing for us, move the thing them. On theme side, brother.
brother, that sound like a robbery where I go rob one truck.
Brother, I can't take up an explanation with you, brother. So if you're not going to do it, thing, man, you come here and make sense. When you're not talking. So if you're not going to do it, man, I have to just step out and keep pocket, brother, because the MP me are working. And whoever come company team, I have to give them thing, brother.
So,
That's why I look out for you, man, youth.
Hey, what Margaret?
Me there, man, you know, say. Yo, the taxi man, them, me can't bother with them, you know. You know, far me I walk on a body road there, and my shoes never good from mine. Look at my slippers.
Yeah, me
And
see
me
it.
stand up in the sun and wait. I know it come like you like taxi man, them drop asleep. Me a wait.
Yeah, Margaret, the reason why I cannot see no car because the whole of down so flood out, so no car can hardly pass. Only taxi man them want bravery and drive them car through it. Only them a run. So you have to just go and wait. But question, how many see you over a shelter?
I sit near here, or what? Where you judge? Look here, a long time me know you, you know, hour. Nobody with your mix up. What? Me not over there no more because dirty bad mind people, them, some of them are your friend. Run me from over the school. So me have to left go back on my yard. Which part this time blow down my house. And guess what? I want a lady named Alisa when me know a long time. Me don't know who send this woman come over there. She says she an influencer. Come see me lay down and sleep, wake me up and take me care of yard. So see she buy clothes to me and sitting. A human yard me dey stay.
That's good, man. The fact that somebody can be kind-hearted in a dem time and really help you and put you up, that's good, man. That's good. Tell me, say good people still there.
Well, the woman we carry me go over her yard, me can't stand her. When I tell her lie, I think I did one good woman. The woman would have killed me with tin mackerel. Corned beef, tin mackerel, corned beef, tin mackerel. Me can't bother, me throat. Right now, a tin mackerel me name before me come out here so.
But Margaret,
And it right here so, not even water me no drink. I know it tap right here so.
But Margaret,
Come like y'all grown in my ears.
Margaret,
Me can't bother.
Margaret, let me ask you a question. Light gone, not true?
Yes, like gone now.
Yes, so what you expect? If light gone, what should you do? Have chicken put one fridge?
Well, you see your judge, you and that woman they are friend, you know. You know, so me believe you know that
No,
woman.
no.
So how she can get fish off your yard for cook and chicken? You're there yard and me live at woman yard, now you come and tell me one different story. You see, same thing knowing as you know what she do too? Come on me yard, come put camera upon me and tell me how she an influencer. And tell me how people are going to donate things to her for me. Master, look here. Me no want nobody come put no camera upon me. And how them are going to help me. And them are going to give me this and give me that. And send all me video gone on social media. It all gone viral. Right, you know that the video there are 180,000. So me feel say the woman a get 180,000 US. A matter of fact, me no feel so she get it. 180,000 US and no give me not every dollar out of it. And with her dirty thinking bright self. I told me there yard, you know, make me no lick her in her face, you know. Come, give me 5 sheets of zinc.
Margaret.
5 sheets of zinc.
Margaret.
And 4 pieces of 2
Margaret,
before.
me no really business with you and she still no, cause me never did it when she make video with you and what she promised you. But you can't be ungrateful. You can't be ungrateful. She never have a video you and she could have easily just give somebody else the 5 sheets and
Judge,
juice to
true
give you.
nothing do for your house. Big up yourself. I true nothing do for your house, you know. Make you come here so hard. Unless your house did blow down flat to the ground and she give you about 100 sheets of zinc. Now you come out. So I take up for her, you and her in a business.
No, me not pick up.
You and her there, me want to know if you and her there. Why you come and pick up for this dirty woman who take me care of her yard and then come offer me 5 sheets of zinc like me a idiot?
Alright,
5 sheets of zinc, not even one full cup that can cover. You think me a idiot?
Margaret, you know see you dunce. You dunce. If you did really sensible and never so dunce, you don't realize the goodness of what a girl I do for you. You can't process in your brain. So you know what? You see low frequency people like you, me just all leave you alone. Let me step away.
So what you say, me dunce? I don't say I call me dunce. 5 and 3 is 2. You can't tell me nothing. All you dirty judge, you can go dead a bush and not tell me nothing. Go on about your business. You're lucky, so me not tell you.
Alright, Margaret. Alright.
Go on about your business, you know. Where you come here so far? Me turn up your son and wait for a taxi. Me think I sitting. Anyway, judge.
So you say ready for your body, son, friend?
Bro, we really after this.
What you mean, brother? You don't want to build back your house?
Yeah, I want to build back my house, but we can't just get help from the government.
We could do it that way, bro. A better way this.
So why we have to involve one little boy?
Stop worrying about him, man. We have to do it the right way, because when the man people my pass in the truck, then quick off stop on the little boy today. But I'm never saying nothing about it. That's to bring me kill a friend. Love kill people. Watch out, don't kill a body, you see me? Yo, tough nice, you check up, come in.
What you want to do, sir? You good? You want some food?
Yeah, I want food and water.
Oh, I'm going to get some. You have some things now back here.
Hey boy, don't move. What have that truck? Go up in that truck, Mr. Wagon in there.
Yo, starting there, my dog. Walk in the rate of food and water there, everything there.
Yo, listen. Run away.
Everything there, man.
Go in that truck. Go in that truck.
Listen, ready now. Move.
See, you really have to stick up the man return? Easy yourself.
Miss Margaret, I'm going to leave out to go to the shelter to help do some volunteer work. Do you want to come with me?
Who you talk to? Me no run there serious joke there. Me no work for free. Yeah, idiot. Alicia, me notice you take me feed that for a long time, you know. True, you can't come on your place from out type all blow down plate. Listen
Miss
to me.
Margaret, I was only asking if you want to help me. Is either yes or no situation.
Me no work for free. Me no come down so and so me come down.
Alright then, alright.
If you want to go work for free, go along.
Okay. Well, I will be back in about
You
an
know
hour or
nobody
so.
else you know for a long time different from me if you call them if you come
I will be back in an hour or so.
Volunteer.
Just food is cooked on the stove. You can eat.
What you say?
I'll be back. Alright?
You cook food over there, so?
Yes, I've cooked food.
Yeah, me can help myself and take out the food. Me no want help me take it out. But me not follow you go work for free. Me not get no pay. You're crazy.
So I'll be back.
Go on, because I not follow you go work for free. You must be mad. Go on, where you go? Me look like influencer to you. You're influencer. I hope you get as much thing. And when you get it, get back some, come give me.
Judge, I want to hear
What go on? Why I'm stressed out, man. I see all of my place mash up, man. I'm there all I wait for the man them to come help me clean up so we can start try put it back together.
Mr. Same stand there, bad man, George. But media interview a couple people. Well, I don't know if you want me to interview you too and put up on your social media so you can get the help, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I appreciate that, but here, I gotta tell you something. Me appreciate the help, but I gotta tell you something.
And not everybody have to help still, you know. Because not everybody deserve it and not everybody appreciate it. Cause me go try show you say, yo, me hear Margaret. I said some horrible things about you, you know. Yeah, man. Me hear Margaret I say how you take him in your house and you don't kill him with tin mackerel and tin food. And also, she a say you come give him 5 sheet of zinc, like 5 sheet of zinc can build back house.
Yeah. Where you hear that from?
Margaret tell me so.
Margaret tell you say, what
Yes.
weird? Jesus.
Yes. So all me I tell you, going forward, just be careful of people when you help. Me know say a storm time and because you're influence and you probably are one good person, you want to help everybody. But you know, everybody forget help. Some people they don't appreciate nothing and then they cuss and complain about everything. So really be careful. You hear that?
Why, Jad? Me never know.
Alright, but let me just warn you still. But you can do a video for me, man. Me appreciate it. Alright?
Alright, no problem then. And you know say over shelter me I go right now?
Yeah. Hey, shelter, be careful over there. Cause I be a case over there right now because one truck with it for carry some care package and some other things in shelter. Then I hold up the truck and rob the truck, man.
Eh?
Yeah, and take away everything. So right now, a chaos over there. So if you go over there, be careful.
Thanks for letting me know. I can't believe.
Alright.
Girl, look how long me I call your phone. What you mean I want now? You know, so when me call you sitting serious, you know, see this dirty woman who can't take me up from out of my piece of old house and Melissa blew away. Half of me lay down so comfortable, good and a neat piece of board. This woman come round about she a influencer. Yeah, me know her long time. You know, remember dirty Alicia? Whatever she want name, I saw me know her as. Me don't know what she name. The name not necessary right now. Me don't want to talk about that. Listen what she do. Make the woman carry me come her yard, girl. And she not treat me good, you know? She maga like a worm. Her clothes them can't even fit me. I piece all clothes them one lady did pass and give me. Right now, one of them me in. I piece a 90. Oh, me no want to sit down in her dirty couch. I grung me sit down right now because I'm afraid of her. Me not use nothing fear from me come her yard. Me no eat no food. Me no sit down in her couch. I grung me sit down right now and talk to you. I want like a dirty girl. And 4 piece of 2 before.
Hello. Miss Margaret.
Wilipil, kalapa, lilupo, balapak.
Miss Margaret.
Lelepe talapa. Lelepe talapa. Lelepe talapa.
Well, may I ask a question? You know, why you put at the palm city?
A mistake.
A mistake. Listen. So, I true day in the attack.
What you talk about?
What me I talk about? You don't know what me I talk about?
Me no know what you talk about.
Just sure you don't know what me I talk about.
Me just listen, me no know.
So, let me ask you something now, Miss Margaret. Can you go on like you're innocent, you know? So, you mean to tell me, say, me take you in out of goodness of my heart, Miss Margaret, and carry you in my house. Me give you clothes, me feed you, your beard, everything you can think of for help a person. And at least I turn around and do me.
What me do to you?
What you do to me? You ask me, what you do to me?
Alicia, actually you take me in your house, you come and use
No, but that's
What you
no,
talking
but that come with that no. Me ear say, matter of fact, me even listen for myself. Cause me ear you know, me ear you out the door. Out the door me there and hear you. But me only give you 5 sheets of zinc and 4 pieces of 2 before. Boy, that can build house. And then now me come in here, you cut the conversation and talking on language and me even understand, like you use your head for me. But Max, you're not grateful. You're not grateful, Miss Margaret, cause literally do these things out of love. And now when you donators then sending for bite, I'm telling her, Miss Margaret, I'm telling her say anything coming, I use to buy your things. But you can't tell me say this is what you do me. So through the end of the attack, I've been helping you. For the time being, you see, this can't go continue no more because I can't believe I do this here after me I help you and Miss Margaret. So you know what? You have to go pack up your things and leave because I'm not going to help somebody who is very ungrateful. And as a matter of fact, Miss Margaret, you see the 5 sheets I zinc them and the 4 pieces of 2 before where you get from me, and I know donator send them the in. And me take it and buy out of my own pocket. You hear me? Me take it and buy out of my own pocket. Nobody never send in no money for you. Me take it out of the kindness of my heart and do it for you. Because me see nothing never coming for you yet. Everybody else I get things that you not get none.
So yes, me chat so. Yes, me go to road go chat so. And I want somebody me tell. And I the one somebody dirty judge. A judge me tell and so a judge tell you. Me no have to stay in a little dirty house. Woman, me a go come out. A matter of fact, me
Leave.
never send con call you, me never beg you no help,
Leave.
Jankro. You see
Leave.
friendship and think them way you give me? You
Leave.
can't come back to them.
Leave,
And that
please.
me a do come out. Look
Go
how you
ahead, go ahead.
Go about your business.
I will surely be you
Don't be
too.
woman, me never send con call you.
Go on.
Right, so we were expecting some packages today, but unfortunately, they got robbed or something of that sort. I know that it's hard on everyone. I know that the persons who did it, I know they did it. I hope they did it with some good intention because we are here suffering. We don't have anything. And I hope and pray that others that are going to make the trip or want to make the trip to come here and help us, please come. Please don't let them deter you. It is a safe environment, and what happened is just unfortunate, right? The people are suffering here. The kids are hungry. We need water. We need food. We need shelter. You can see the rain is coming back down on us again, right? So I'm pleading to Jamaica. I'm pleading to the relevant authorities out there. We are getting some assistance from private companies, from individuals who are coming in and giving out of their pockets. We are asking that the Prime Minister, please, somebody out there, give us some help. We are suffering down here. We are suffering down here.
Good. Big boss. This
Not big boss.
yeah man, good job man.
You like to see what I'm going through?
Eh.
But bear in mind, still,
Yeah.
personally, I want experience. I don't know anything, isn't it?
Okay. Oh, I was wondering because you know a truckload look, you know.
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay. So you get what me here said the on it?
No, man, about I have 2 Starlink credits on a generator. Sit there, so
Oh.
2 Starlink on a generator.
Oh, okay. All right. But actually all of these stuff are, you know, I mean they're valuable, you know, you know, and stuff. All right, more you bring me to the other place where the others are so I can assess and know what to deal with and what we are going to deal with it, you know. You understand? But hold on. I see one gentleman downside, you know.
No, I'm down that, man.
Okay. Make sure everything good, you know. So I have to make sure I can't afford, you know, my reputation to go on other stuff. But anyway, more you come and show me the other stuff the more you deal with. We look good, we look
I'm
good.
going to meet you outside still and kill you and experience still.
All right, man. Good job, man. All right?
All right. Yeah, man.
I'll see you. Very good job, man. Very good.
How are you?
Never done that for you.
See, I talk to myself.
Oh no, where you get starting from generator?
Remember we get Starlink generator. If you get powered, at MP powered, you know. So anything at all more, you might give me.
Oh. Hopefully other people might get it help too. So Trey can come charge him phone and say, right, me know you say you don't want nobody come here, but I mean you have to try help with the situation too.
I will think about it first, but yeah, you can come on.
Alright, I don't get Trey, me go see you later.
What me do for me now? I'm gonna come back and get it password and something here.
Alright. Trey!
Oi!
Trey!
Oi, see me around here, so. Yeah,
Me I look for you over school, the people might tell me say you're not over there.
me can't turn over there, so. Better me there, sir. Me go there, sir. Me there, sir, daytime and me sleep there night time. Cause I be a foolishness I going over there to tell you the truth. No fool no did like that, you know. I want Chuck did to come here say you get robbed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
yeah,
where your phone? You have a phone?
Yeah, me have my phone. But you kinda dead, you know, you don't really have no percentage it's short.
Oh, I that me can check about. Me that tell us my brother get one generator. I want Starlink so you can charge your phone and you can check in. Cause I want to know what going to work for you now.
Your brother?
Some more. Yeah.
No, so I don't want nothing. Once I for your brother, I don't want nothing for this. So. I don't want to do with nothing for your brother.
So since when you and my brother have something?
Eh? Come like you don't know how to go on, man.
What you mean?
Your brother come check me what day, you know.
I know.
And you want me deal with robbery. And me tell him, say, me no depend that. He only bring little food, come give me, and me dey grateful for, but he end up take it back. But you know, say, I say your brother tan.
Me no know say I say a lie. This no that makes sense.
God know me not tell no library. I come to the fact right now. It seems like say generator and the Starlink we are talking about. You see Chuck when he come to school can hit him robbery in the robbery there.
Sure, you can't talk then something about my brother. Something there?
You don't believe me? How long me and you apart from where they work? And you tell me say me I go look for you and tell you such a lie?
Listen. So how my brother would have robbed one Chuck? I mean, I hear nothing about it.
See, you tell me say you don't know nothing about your brother then, man. So since you know your brother so good, you know say my link with the MP, the Androver, so?
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that. You know hear where the Androver are going with up there? That man they a big criminal.
Hey,
What?
watch your mouth. Cause you not gonna hear something me say. I mean, if you hear that, me don't know where you stay from and hear that. And me brother, listen, we talk to my brother about this because, honestly, me don't know how to take this from you. I mean, I want to call in a liar because honestly, I far I come from for real. But this not sound like something my brother would do.
Trust me, I tell you.
I don't know if I believe, but you can still come charge your phone and use the internet. What stop you?
Listen, right, I rather make my phone die and nobody no hear from me. Me nah make my phone charge
Yeah,
after them day.
Make pride kill you.
You go have to kill me, I swear. You go see what me I talk about.
Seriously, so if work reach out to you, what gonna happen?
You know, see the service down. Nobody ever reach out to nobody.
That's why you have Starlink. You don't need no type of signal to pick up Starlink. Starlink work anyway.
Yeah.
And the hotel have Starlink for sure.
We must figure out our next way for charge it, don't forget fear brother charge.
I don't waste my time coming on.
What kind of waste time?
Because, first you tell me about my brother, now you tell me about you don't want to come charge your phone. But it's all good.
I good lead things them with your brother thief that I'm not gonna feel good I use it, but it's swear. I'm sorry,
Right.
no, I'm not let you down, but I just don't want, I'm not deal with nothing what your brother deal with.
It's all good. Just make sure you stay safe.
Yeah,
Hopefully
man,
rain not catch you around here.
No, you don't catch me, I do look at work, you know. I'm so done up. I take me look at time, dude. You know, it's
Alright.
true, I have heap of money, alright. I'm glad to see you though.
Apple J. Bro,
Oi.
look here.
Eh?
No, look here.
I will talk for a second, I heard me going now.
You know, take long, man. Me know me asked you this morning where you get your generator from. And I think you tell me the truth. But me check Trey and Trey tell me something else. So me really just want to talk about it again. You know, just in case you want like actually tell me the truth this time. Because Trey tell me say you did a recruit him to help you match up a crime and him no go. So, as a friend, he tell me. So me ask again which way you get the generator from.
I'm not supposed to explain to you again because me have a conversation this morning and I tell you where it come from. So if you don't believe me, up to you.
Which way you get the generator from?
You know, I'm MP apart. You know that?
What that's supposed to mean?
So the MP give me it along with the Starlink.
So the care package truck will get robbed. You know, no at all for do it.
No, sir. No, sir.
Why you lie, you're fine.
Alright, hear me I say. Since that's the one way truth. You see all that food that's in that cabinet where you have walla in it, and a waste and a dash way. Eh? And the generator and the Starlink whoever used. Yes. And they make it from. It's an MP power with it.
Seriously, Apple J?
So what you talk about seriously. You see if you can't, you don't want to work with it, you can't go, you know. Because you know, see me live the best life. You ever see me work when they didn't burn it? No, answer my question.
Me no see you getting no damage at all in a storm. And the people them a try help back the people them will get all of the damages and you got tea from them. You're not hungry, I just said that. Why you would need to do that?
Listen me I say. Stop finding problem with me out here. Stop finding problem with me out. Come and find problem with what you want to do. See? So as I said before, If you cannot stay on a roof with my living, you can go on.
Oh, if me can't stay with your thief in here.
I'm
Alright.
not a thief. I hustle me hustle. You don't talk now?
It's all good, man.
Yeah, man, have a nice day, man.
Brother, where you go?
I have no idea.
What you mean you have no idea?
Listen, me just fed up. Me fed up with my brother, I'm fed up with the star, me fed up with everything. Me cannot...
What happened now?
Girl, me don't even want to tell you nothing because of the whole vlog thing. This is personal, you cannot share this. It's like my brother involved in a whole lot of things, him and the politician, and me don't want to be a part of it, honestly. So, him suggest me leaving, and me take him up on the offer. I am leaving.
I think your brother is one nice, cool person. I never know someone involved in that. But anyways, you want to come see me?
Well, honestly, I don't want to cause no trouble, you know. But, I mean, that would be nice, because I honestly don't know what I'm going to do.
I mean, it's the least I can do for the time being.
Okay,
Yeah,
well...
man, so, let me help you with that box. Come on.
Good evening, Jamaica. DeAndre Vassell, MP for Westmoreland here. All right? I know you people have been hearing a lot of, you know, name callings, especially people of social media about my involvement in certain things, and which is rubbish, utter rubbish. All right? All right, listen me careful. All right? I know people has been going around spreading all kind of rumors, everything about me, which I can stately clear that is untrue. You people know me. The people in the constituency know me. They know I'm a man of integrity. My name has never, ever been called in any bangarang. All right? And you know what? Put that aside. All right? People have been calling for me to resign and stuff, which I'm guilty of nothing. All right? But what I will do, all right? I will step aside from politics. I will just put things aside and make due process, you know, take its channel. All right. But in the meantime, I'm asking, you know, the relevant authorities. I mean, I've stated before, you know, you might not have heard, but I told people when they're bringing stuff down here, don't play no hero. You know, I mean, you're bringing containers and you're bringing, I mean, no security. Come on, man. Come on. You guys should know better. You know, you should go and bring it through the proper channel. You know, I mean, I didn't even know the container was coming here, and I am the MP. And all of this happened. I had no idea. I had no knowledge, you know, but yet still my name is calling up. You know, apart from that. Anyway, in the future, I know things are going to come. More things are going to come. So I'm asking you guys, just, you know, prepare proper security and stuff, you know, and things. Just make sure, say, boy, you know, the things are all right. People down here, they're suffering.
I want to say a special thanks for your person them for make a donation. You need a lot more, but still I try to finish the rebuild. So if any person out there want to make a contribution, not just the material, but just the furniture as well when I lose. But I'm be grateful, you know? Yeah, man.
Me try to figure out what we're around here. What we're around here.
Relax. Me not care nobody no. Around here so carpenter live.
Carpenter, what carpenter?
Relax, Susie. Come on. Alright, we can stop right here. Come here. I have seen the damage the storm has caused. Not just for you, but for other people as well. And I know you lost your home. I know it has been rough on you. But I just wanted to let you know that you weren't in this alone. So, I'm here to give you a present from my subscribers on my platform. They've seen the situation you're in and they decided to help you out. So, in that case, this house is for you.
Oh my God, Elisa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
So,
Hold on. So Tim said, Barry, Jack one next time I'm going to stamp. I'm going to stamp. I don't have no control on nothing. All I'm saying. No, I'm not telling about that part. That's kind of some petty. So Tim,
But in a bill, none can't say that to me.
Exactly.
how far was it go?
I rent out the inner.
So tell him, say.
The money when I take the bonus, I could have come rent.
So Tim, so this
Ambition,
is
yeah.
Jack one next time maybe.
Because, yeah, we're trying to figure out this, you know. Really, we're trying to figure out this.
What do you mean by me to try?
Stop laughing. So you were saying,
Son, everybody a baller. Everybody
Hey,
be sick on the road a ball.
Take 10 talk to my house.
Okay, now. Ready?
Alright, so that again, Alright, give me a shot in first. Miss Margaret, me see some me can't argue with you, you know. And me shouldn't even argue because the way how you are behaving like a dunce person, you know, Miss Margaret.
Yeah, man.
So you know what? I'm gonna leave you alone because you're ungrateful.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Take care of the house, I
Probably go down someone can come out.
So you tell me, say, me don't.
Then Margaret, then obviously.
5 and 3 is 2. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
5 and 3.
Yo, yeah, man. 5 and 3 is 2. You can't tell me nothing. Let me step away from you, Margaret. Can't even lift up nothing with my hand now. We'll mash up it.
So you guys, so like you can't it, brother. I'm gonna step back again. But no, we are gonna laugh at that. Don't pick up on yourself, no? Maybe pick up.
You pick up a time. I don't tell you before you start, so I dip on the low thing, bro, and you come back with that.
For a long time, I'm not trust the man there, you know. Look out for them. Look out for them. Come again. We don't know what talking about. Look out for them.
You see?
Yeah, hold on for them. I'm gonna shit them what you answer.
Yeah, I already know. Action.
Pick up back, Travis. For the last thing you say.
Cause you can see, nothing really going for me, you know.
Alright, come again. Say it again.
Through your so camera and nothing to drop for me, because I see roof lift off so. And by the time I come through your so.
Continue, we say room before.
Yeah.
How would that?
Good night. Are you the shelter manager?
Yes.
Jesus, stop when we laughed at you.
Oh, don't funny.
Jesus, get to the point. I know exactly why they laugh. Come on, chop.
Yes, come on, make it up, lad.
Me come out and
Come on, take care.
Come close, my brother.
That job, I swear to God.
So as I know, the house I'm living in is so stable, right? Not so stable at all. Ready?
Let me see if I really understand what you're saying, Apple Joe. You want me?
Apple J.
Oh, Apple J. So,
I want to know what you know.
alright, Apple J.
Alright, so before we do anything else, members of the subscribe. Alright, so it's been a while since we really reason with you and talk to you at the end of any one of the movies. And I feel like this is the right time. We're kind of back in the groove of creating. Because, for the past 2 months, we haven't really done a lot. We've been in the whole mood of just trying to get back our life together in terms of rebuilding. And it's been a hard and long one. And we kind of back now because this is like our second movie for the month. And we're trying to see if we can do 2 more because we'll start 1 more as we speak. One of the things that I talk about in the whole recovery process and the whole getting back together is that I said I would never want to see people move on and forget about that what Melissa did, in the sense that there are a lot of people who still try to recover. There are a lot that has put on back their roof and try to get back the pieces together. But there's a lot of person who is still in desperate need of help. And I know I have gotten a few donations from persons who love what me I do and want to help. And persons who even just randomly just say, yo, Richie, we see your documentary and I want to give something for help. Thank you to those persons. We really appreciate it because there has been a lot of persons who have gotten help. I still would love to help others just the same. So if there are persons who want to contribute to help, we still will accept. But this time I kind of do it a little bit different because to really take up the task of collecting money and buying materials and going and deliver, it really take a lot out of me. And because of that, I weren't able to do a lot of work. And I have to really think about my life and my livelihood and getting back to my everyday life. So if persons send money, what I intend to do is directly just go to persons who may see need help and just give them the money and say, go and buy what you need, instead of me going to buy it. Because with that, it kind of take out a lot of, it kind of take a lot for me to do that. To be honest, as I say, I would love if people still join in and help, because I know when it just happened, it was fresh in the minds of people. So people is excited for help. And we find out say it kind of died down. But I can tell you personally, I've gone to a lot of communities still. And as you see in the background, my little brother house still a rebuild just the same. So there are persons who still are trying to make things make sense. All right, so let's shift a little bit away from that. All right, so thank you to the persons that will help get big views upon that movie there. Bad Picnic. It's one of the most successful movie we have done so far. It's gone over 1.8 million, heading to 2 million views. And for that, I am overjoyed. But because of the whole hurricane, we never really get to celebrate as how we wanted to. You know what I mean? We just do it and it happened, man. We never even get to do nothing. We never even get to buy a cake and do a little celebration. But one of the day we might do that, man, because at the end of the day, we still want one of his sister. We appreciate the fact that you guys take the movie and run with it. And one of the big things that opened my mind and tell me that YouTube can work. Because if I can post a movie on YouTube and get 1.8 million views, it tells me that there are opportunities for us to create good content and get good views. That's what it tells me. But one of the things too I want to tell persons, because we film so often and we have to use these cameras, them take a beating a lot of the time. So right now, 2 of the camera out of the 4 that I had, the screen them stop work. I still think I want to get them repaired, but also I want to see if I can get 2 new camera. So that's one of the drive for me I work towards, getting 2 brand new camera. Nikon just dropped one high-end camera. I think I want to get 2 to even amp up the quality of the work and make it better. But big up on yourself. Thank you guys for watching. I know I say a whole heap of things. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope 2026 can be a great year to create more content and make great things happen. I still have a lot of scripts that I have written, and I'm going to shoot them for YouTube because my intention is to get them outside of YouTube. And part of the reason why I haven't shot them is because of the financial aspect of things. If we're going to do certain movie, we're going to make certain impact, it's going to take money to really get it done. So I kind of put them on pause. So my intention is to do 2 movies, but we can try to get international with those. So that's the plan. But also, if persons too want to invest in what we are doing, you want to invest in getting a movie done and you be the producer, can link me up just the same. Or if you want to invest in a Richard Brown Films, then we can talk business. Because we want to take the thing to the next level, man, but it's going to take money. Because I have a vision of what I want to do. I'm not going to talk a lot about it unless person directly contact me. Then we can talk about how and what we have planned and how that can involve you if you're willing to invest in what we do. So big up on yourself. And before we go, if you need a person for the live stream, we have the live stream equipment. If you need somebody to do your wedding photography, link we up just the same, man. One umbrella, me and Vassal we work together along with my son. So link we up and we can make things happen. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Love and respect. Big up.